Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. N.K. Agarwal, Director, Professor, and Head, Department of Forensic Medicine, University of Delhi and University College of Medical Sciences. It has been observed that doctors, whenever they get the summons from the court, they get confused. They even think that the summons are not for them. Summons might be there for somebody else. I will like to tell you summons are there for every doctor whosoever conduct or do anything with the case whenever required. Even examining a patient can ask you or compel you to attend the court if it turn out to be medical legal. So do not lose your calm. You must attend the court at a given date and time and place and be punctual. Before going to the court, it is also advisable to see the case sheets about the patient and discuss the case along with your colleagues in the department and come to a conclusion. But do not discuss the case outside the court. After reaching the court, you must go to the reader about that you have come, tell him, and being an expert, he may ask to will be given might be given the preference for the giving the opinion in the course and witness in the court. If possible, carry all the records with you. First and the foremost thing is you should never be nervous in the court. Whenever any question is asked, you must answer them sincerely. You are allowed to see the papers and the records which you have brought in the court, but do not lose temper and give your opinion. If you do not know the answer of a question, we can say simply that I don't know. Next, foremost important thing is patient or the lawyer, defense lawyer can put any type of allegation over you, but do not lose temper. And it is always better to listen to the questions whatever being asked throughout, and do not answer when a case is referred to any paragraph or any words or sentence in a paragraph. You should ask or compel them to that I will like to read the full paragraph in the case. Always address the judge by sir. You are being called by a magistrate or a judge. You should try to follow all the instructions given to you from time to time. If any comments about your competency comes, then also do not lose the temper. And next, most important thing is we all must be well dressed and modest, which is also one of the things. Do not leave the court without taking permission from the honorable judge, or after completing your evidence, you must read it before signing it. And if any problem is there, you should point out to the judge. Thank you very much.